This is a quick video how to replace and reset your water filter on a Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. In the upper corner you have your water filter dispenser here. You do not need to turn the water off. You just need to unclamp it from the bottom, push it all the way up, and pull your old filter out. Looked up the part number off the old one here, and I got a new filter here. On the new wrapper it has a cellophane that you need to remove. Take the protective cap off there, push it all the way in, close your door. On your little panel here, push and hold the water filter there till it turns to blue where it's brand new. You're going to want to take and remove several quarts of water here to flush out the new filter, and you should be good to go.